Tuesday, there was this magnificent sunset in Toronto, but how are you going to find the photos of it on Twitter? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that. I've just plugged in the word sunset in TweetDeck, and you can see how quickly the tweets are coming in. So I'm going to show you how to narrow it down. First of all, what you want to do is you want to go into the settings of the column in TweetDeck, and first and foremost, I would put in the location. So we'll put in Toronto. And then what you want to do, you only want to see pictures. So we're going to change that to tweets with images. And now the date was Tuesday. So Tuesday's date was the 3rd. So we might as well select a date range. Go November 3rd to November 3rd. Okay, now that we've narrowed it down, there it is. There's the sunset. All the photos of the sunset in Toronto on November 3rd. Now, what if somebody doesn't use the word sunset in their tweet? What if they use the word tonight? Well, I'm sure if we went like this, look at that. Amazing sky tonight. Doesn't even mention sunset. So that's how you're going to find other ones. I'm sure a lot of people use the hashtag SunsetTO to label these tweets, but not everybody does it that way. So let's try SunsetTO. There's only 3 tweets. There's only 3 tweets. Only 3 people tweeted with that hashtag. I mean, hashtags are great, but words in the English language are always better, because if you just go sunset, look at how many more results come up. All these pictures from that day. It's great. So that's how you find a specific picture on a specific day in a specific location. See, I didn't even have to type Toronto in the search. I just changed the location. Again, a lot of these photographs are not going to necessarily have the word Toronto in them, so you have to look for people in Toronto posting for that to come up.